Welcome to my hell, right? No, but yeah, they make outfits for
Go for it, go for it.
pretty much any other thing you can wear for whatever. Maybe not about.
So we're here, finally, first day.
Hey, yo, I'm tired of this fucking beat. Hey, yo, how many?
Little guys. Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna try some stuff. We need some more shirts. Where's that 6? Who wants a 16? Yeah, give me a hat too, somebody. Yeah, there's a nice 16. We got a women's swish tank top hat. There's one here, somebody over there. We got an XL. We got an XL.
So it's only 11:30 and I'm crashing. Need some coffee, but right now, snacking on this bad boy.
Alligator in a waterway. Jordan Lucas to a dinosaur pet. They ain't know that I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. Try to pan a rubber, rip apart his neck. I ain't doing interviews and autographs. I don't like the way you talking.
About to dig in.
And there's Rye with her sweet potato fries and her sandwich burger thing.
Vlogs on vlogs.
How we do at Expo.
Yeah, they're eating very, very clean. And I am attempting to be somewhat clean.
There's the whole day still going on.
Finally got our lunch break, so gonna eat this, head back over, and you'll see a little bit more.
All that we call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too, that's real. Too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel. I'm too good for my own good. I won't leak the album, I let it spill. Number one, bitch, I bet it will. Do the numbers, I said it will. I played the game and I'm still the same. And I never changed just to get a deal, bitch, I'm ballin'.
P28 booth. Yum.
Outfits
Oh, yeah.
Again. Oh my
Look
God.
at this.
Welcome to my hell, right? No, but yeah, they make outfits for
Go for it, go for it.
pretty much any other thing you can wear for whatever. Maybe not about this stuff, but.
That's it.
Hey, we're good. All right.
Hey guys, so it is Expo day number 2. I'm losing my voice already. We went out for a team dinner last night, ended up going to this after party. It was really fun. But now it's back to work, so I hope to see everybody and we'll check in soon. Day 2, here's the show!
Swear I'm a cannibal, about to fulfill all my dreams. I'm a fiend, I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. Eyebrows on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up, this shit is for me. Me, this shit is for me. Bitch verbatim, working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Yeah. Right now.
So now it's over.
We did it, fam. Chrono Pro 2016 is a wrap.
Boom, boom.
Dab.
So we are done. Yeah. And now where are we? Hey, girl. Whoa.
We're going to the
I really
grocery store because this girl gets 380 grams of carbs because she was a good girl yesterday and didn't eat all the pizza and the deep fried ravioli.
She's clearly extremely excited about this.
I would. Oh my god.
So the 3 brunette girls, away we go.
How was that?